So area is half of a circle, pi 15/2 square. Okay, so here I actually combine the steps. Radius. The radius is 15/2. So calculate. Okay, so this is our area. Then we have our perimeter. So perimeter, like what Yin Rui said, the straight line first. The straight line is just 15, given to us already. 15 plus now the curve. Like what Patricia said, half of the circumference. Circumference is on the whole circle. 2 pi r. The whole thing is 2 pi r. I only know half of it. So half of 2 pi, and the radius is 15/2 again. So we have 38.5619. 38.6 cm. Oh, sorry, meters. Okay, any questions? Why need to wait? Didn't you all manage to do it? Just be very certain of what you're trying to find, area or perimeter. Then use the correct formula, you will be okay. Okay, question 4 is your homework. Question 4 is your homework. You try. We try at home. You know how to find area of semicircle. Semicircle, you know how to do it, it's half, right? How about this one? This is 1/4. Okay, so go and think about it. Go and think and try. We see who can do it tomorrow. Tomorrow no math. Till Monday. Okay, next one. Okay, now class. Important, the next 10 minutes, very important for your secondary school life. Make sure you spend these 10 minutes listening carefully to me. Okay? And you can take notes also. I start off with a simple question. What is 1 meter in cm? 100? 100 or 1000? It is 100. Okay? Memorize. Okay? Now next one. What is 3 meter in cm? How much? 300. Okay, good. What about 2.7 meters in cm? Okay, Fari, how do you get 2,700? Huh? How much? 270. How do you get 270? How? Times 10? Okay, take a calculator, multiply by 10. Do you get 270? Add a 0. So is it times 10, Fari? Times 100. Okay, so from meters to cm, what do we need to do? Times 100, yes? Did we spend our time, our past 2 minutes very wisely? Do you learn something? Wait. Hang on, I'm still talking about meters to cm first. So are there any questions from meter to cm first? Any questions? Okay, next, cm to mm. Let's say 1 cm. How many mm is that? 0.1 mm? Is that correct? Do you have a ruler? Look at your ruler. Look at your ruler. Look where 1 cm is. How many mm in 1 cm? 10. We have 10 mm in 1 cm. So what is the relationship over here? Times 10. So what if I have 0.7 cm? So how many mm? 7 mm. What do we do? Times 10. Simple? Simple or not? Okay, so Dani says, what was 0.00? What? Cannot be 0.00. Okay, 2 cm. How many mm will this be? Okay, still times 10. So far, very, very basic stuff. Yes? What about square? We are talking about length over here. Watch what happens when I have square. All look at the screen. I don't care whether you learned it before, you find it easy, you find the lesson very easy so far, difficult, look at the screen now. All eyes on the screen. So far in red, we have conversion from length to length. Now I'm going to convert from area to area. Marilyn, look up. 1 square meter to cm square. Look, this is not the same. I say one more time. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 cm. But when I change it to 1 square meter, now I'm talking about area. Here, look up. I cannot just put square on a meter and say that 1 square meter equal to 100 square cm. They are not the same. Okay? How to make them the same? Okay, I'll show you. So previously it looked like this. Instead of just multiplying by 100, we now multiply by 100 square. Not times 2. I didn't say times 2. I said 100 square. Okay? Why does that happen? So here, 1 times 100 square, you get 100 square, which is 10,000. 1 square meter is equal to 10,000 square cm. This is something new. In primary school, you know 1 meter equal 100 cm. Now in secondary school, when we talk about area and length different. In area, we have the units as square, cm square, meter square. So the conversion is not just multiply by 100. We're going to multiply by 100 square. Okay, so far. Now we talk about why it is so. Look at your textbook. Over here. This is page 115. This is not the explanation. You see these two squares. Do they have the same size? Obviously, same size, right? What is the length for the square on the left? 1 meter. Hey, same size as the square on the right, isn't it? What is the length shown? 100 cm. Is 100 cm equal to 1 meter? Same, right? What is the area for the square on the left? Area equals to how much? 1 times 1. How much is that? 1 times 1 is? Hey, 1 times 1 what? Hey, take your calculator, press. What's 1 times 1? 1. What are the units? Units. What are the units? Square meters. Right? Now, what about the shape on the right? What is the area? 100 times 100. which is 100 square, isn't it? Which is 10,000. What are the units here? cm square. Now, we compare these two again. Do they have the same area? It's the same square, right? Same square, same area, isn't it? So it's 1 square meter equal to 10,000 square cm. That is the conclusion. The conclusion is that 1 square meter is the same as 10,000 square cm. Why did that happen? Because we had 100 times 100. What exactly is happening? Hey, look, our 1 meter, is made of 100 cm. I can divide this into 100 meter squares, as shown over here. Every tiny square is 1 cm. Same thing on the top, 100 cm. So this is one big 1 square meter. How many square cm do you have? How many little squares do you have? Turns out we've got 100 times 100. We've got 10,000. 10,000 little squares equals 1 big square. This is the conversion. Must know. Okay, so now your homework is try it 14 part A. Okay, try it 14 part A of your textbook. This is your homework. This is on page 117. Due Monday. But that is not all. This is not enough. Okay, so workbook. Part B. Actually, textbook, I forgot to tell you. We have all these questions over here. This one. Exercise 9C. Page 114. Everything. 1, 2, 3. Due Monday. Any questions about the homework? Class 10.